need you. But there ain't no way I'm ever gonna love you. Now don't be sad, 'cause 2 out of 3 ain't bad. Should we get started, sweetie?
Yep, whenever you're ready.
Okay, let's get the show on the road. Miigwech, thank you.
Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture too. I'm happy to be here with you today to speak Ojibwe. Wayndom G-A-I-on Homanungun in English means I'm happy to be here today. That's all I wanted to say in Ojibwe. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture.
That's right, baby doll. About Ojibwe language and culture. BOOZHOO! Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha. Over here we've got the star of the show.
Oh, cut it out.
NANABOOZHOO, Ikadon BOOZHOO, Weenie Mooshane. Say hello, my sweetheart.
Hello, everybody. How you doing?
And over here we've got the rock star cartoonist himself, Michael Lyons. Ikadon BOOZHOO, Niji. Say hello, my brother.
Hello, everyone. How you doing? Welcome back to the show.
And yeah, so today's Ojibwe word of the day. Oh, I should say hello. Who's here? This is a live stream, huh, sweetie?
That's right.
Live. No, I'm so scared. But Daniel Black's here. Hoa. Daniel says it's that time again. Let's go. BOOZHOO, Daniel. Daniel Black, gold star, please.
And a gold star for Daniel Black. Hey, BOOZHOO, Niji.
And Always Learning is here. Silver star for Always Learning.
Silver star.
And Hoa, Joseph's here with a rock hand. BOOZHOO, Joseph. And what do we got for third place?
Absolutely nothing.
We're kind of harsh. But it's nice to see you, Joe. How you doing? Hey, Papa Wagosh, Niman Wayndam, Wabaminan. Oh, I'm happy to see you too. Daniel Black, it's a boys club. I know, what is this? I'm not gonna, what? It's a real sausage fest in here. Nah. Oh, but Brandy Marie's here. Oh, BOOZHOO, Brandy. Thank you for being here. Brandy Marie's here, sweetie.
Okay, hey, BOOZHOO, Brandy.
And Cousin Missy. Good morning, Mino Giga Jabe Mistletoe. How you doing, Missy? Missy's here.
Okay, BOOZHOO, cuz.
All right. Always Learning says, I'm a girl. Oh, sorry, Always Learning. Always Learning's a girl, sweetie.
Did we misgender Always Learning?
Yeah, you can't do that anymore. That's really rude in 2021. Don't misgender me. I choose to identify as a girl. Me too, sister. Me too. But today is Ishwa Anama Gishaka. Today's the day after prayer day, huh, sweetie?
Yeah, it sure is.
Monday. Brother, here we go again. Monday. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down. Do rainy days and Mondays always get you down, sweetie?
I don't know. I kind of like rainy days.
Yeah, huh? They don't get me down. I don't get down over Mondays anymore because I don't got a job. That only applies if you got to go to a job. Rainy days and Mondays, Ishwa Anama is a good day after prayer day. Is what we call Monday. Monday, Monday, la la, la 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 la. And ladies making muckety mush kiki waboo. Papa says ladies making coffee. Y'all got your coffee cups? Come on, feel the caffeine. So today, last night we went on Facebook and invited some people to come join us for our little coffee club here. Our little 8 o'clock in the morning, or 8:15, whatever. Our little Indian time gathering. A little Monday morning gab session. You got any, what you call it? You got any gossip? Any celebrity gossip to share today, NanaBOOZHOO?
Celebrity gossip. So we already talked about, what's her name? Britney Spears?
Yeah, Britney Spears. They freed Britney Spears. She got her dad fired for whatever. And so there's that. What's Madonna up to?
Madonna is... I don't know what she is. She was on the VMA a few weeks ago and she looked pretty sad.
I know. Ugh. So, no news from Madonna?
Nope, don't know anything about Madonna.
And this has been your celebrity gossip moment. Moment of celebrity gossip. Well, I haven't heard anything. Sunny day. La-di-da-di. But yesterday, so we went on Facebook, and we were talking about this term, weenie mooshane, my sweetheart, NanaBOOZHOO. Weenie mooshane. A lot of people want to say neenie mooshane, because it's like my neen, whatever. But we always say weenie mooshane, my sweetheart. And what is your sweetheart? It's your boyfriend or your girlfriend, you know. And NanaBOOZHOO got on Facebook, was giving advice, you know. How do I get a girl? How do I get a sweetheart of my own? And then it occurred to me, I got up there, I was going to give the girls some advice. And I don't know. I didn't have much to say.
Don't you have any advice to young women on how to get a sweetheart?
Not really. I mean, there's two things going on. There's getting a sweetheart, and then there's keeping your sweetheart, you know. Love is a fickle thing. Love is so hard. Love is so hard to find. When love, such an easy thing. Such an easy thing. Such an easy thing to lose.
Are you singing Peter Criss?
Yeah, that's good. That's from the Peter Criss solo album. Love is an easy thing to lose. It's a hard thing to find, an easy thing to lose. I heard once, there's some deep thoughts. Okay, weenie mooshane, my sweetheart. And they say, love isn't the opposite of hate. Love is the opposite of indifference. Hate is really close to love. You have to have strong feelings. It burns. You can burn with love, you can burn with hate. And sometimes when people are in love, then they find out their man cheated on them. It turns right off. It doesn't turn into the opposite. The dial gets turned 1 degree to the clockwise, and your love turns to Jinganum, hate. Jinganum. Oh, never say that. Really? Well, what if you hate somebody? Sometimes you gotta hate on something. So if you want to tell somebody you love them, you say, sweetie, Gizagain.
Oh, Gizagain, Natasha.
I love you. Such a sweet phrase. Gizagain. But what if you hate somebody? Ooh! Who's somebody you hate?
Somebody I hate. Let's see. Somebody I really hate. I can't think.
Yeah. I don't know who I hate. I hate somebody I would just like to get my hands on, wring their stupid neck. Oh. Gijinganamine. Gijinganamine. I hate you. Gijinganamine. Ooh. Yeah, I can't think of anybody I hate. That's weird. I mean, there's a lot of people I think are stupid, I suppose. There's people I think are ugly. Do I really hate Jane Fonda? No. That was just fun to make fun of her. Yeah, I can't think of everybody I hate.
Don't you hate Joe Biden?
No, I love Joe Biden.
But he's like the evil emperor of America.
Get out of here. No, I don't hate Joe Biden. Who do I hate? I don't hate anybody. Gijinganamine. I hate you. Oh, I hate you. What? Okay, here's a question for the BOOZHOO crew. Who do you hate? Who should I hate? Let's choose somebody to hate. Come on, feel. The thing is, you have to care about somebody so much. It's so close to love. I'm pretty indifferent about the rest of the world when it really comes to it. Oh, really? Don't you hate? Who am I supposed to hate? The Rockefellers? Don't you hate the abortionists? No. Don't never really think about it. Don't you hate climate deniers? What? No. Don't you hate the millionaires? What? Why? No. Bobo Go says, no hate in Ojibwe, but Jinganam is dislike. Oh, okay. Yeah, maybe that word doesn't really mean hate. Maybe it just means I dislike you. Because I guess hate's a weird word. I kind of pieced that together this morning when I was thinking about the words to teach. It's like, what's the opposite of love you? How do you say I hate you? Well, this is how you'd say I don't love you, or I dislike you. But that's interesting that we don't really have a word for hate. Hate's like a religious word. Well, I suppose love is too. I mean, what do you... You could make a short list of people you love. I love my weenie Mushane. I love my sweetheart. I love my grandma. I love my cat. I love my, I love my cable provider. I love my abortion doctor. No, I'm kidding, you guys. It's not funny. Don't make fun of that. It's murder. You're murderers. Murder. But I guess it's good. I can't really think of anybody I hate. No one's ever wronged me so irrevocably that I'm like, oh, I hate you, Hitler. I don't hate Hitler. He's a good artist. We had Hitler on the show yesterday, huh, sweetie?
Yeah, we did.
I wonder who's going to call in today.
Hey, it's funny you should ask that.
Why?
Because somebody's on the phone for you right now.
Oh, really? That's weird. Let's see, who could it be? Caller, welcome to the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. You're on the air.
Yes, Natasha, it's me, Donald Trump.
Well, hi, Donald. Hey, sweetie, it's Donald Trump, former president Donald Trump.
Yes, that's right. That's what they tell me. I don't know. That's just what they're telling me. It's tremendous.
Wow. So, what's going on?
Well, I was watching your show, and I noticed you were talking about how the Ojibwe, they didn't have a word for hate.
Yeah, huh?
So how would they say love trumps hate?
Oh, why do you want to know?
Because I love that sign. Love trumps hate.
What does it even mean? I used to see those signs.
Well, it means that love trumps hate. People should love the things I hate.
Do you think that's what it means?
Yes, of course. Everybody should love what I hate.
Okay. So what's something you hate?
Well, I tell you what I hate. I hate the Democrats.
Do you really?
No, I don't know. I hate that they weren't a worthy opponent. I was the greatest president ever. I hear maybe it's true. I can't say for sure.
Okay. So what's been going on? You've been keeping busy?
You know, I like to go to Mar-a-Lago. I go to Mar-a-Lago and I play golf.
Yeah, that's what I hear. I've been hearing rumors you might want to run for president again.
Yes, I'm thinking about it, if I can afford it.
What do you mean?
Well, I'm going to have to move some money around. It's very expensive to run a campaign, as you know.
Yes, I know. What do I know about it?
Well, everyone knows it costs millions and millions of dollars.
Yeah, but aren't you like a trillionaire or something?
No, actually, I don't actually have that much money.
What do you mean? You're like famously rich.
Well, I'll tell you the truth. I'm just an actor, Natasha. I'm just an actor on the world stage. I mean, come on. I'm a reality show TV actor. My name isn't even Donald Trump.
Yeah, that's right. Isn't your name like Donald Trump or something?
Yes, you can't believe anything you see on television.
Oh, well, that's too bad. Hey, do you want to teach a word of the day?
Yes, I would love to teach the Ojibwe word of the day.
Okay. Our Ojibwe word today is Weenie Mooshane, my sweetheart. Do you have a Nemoshane, a sweetheart, Donald?
Of course I do. It's Melania.
Melania? Is that right, or is that Obama's daughter?
Yeah, wait a second. What is my wife's name?
There's Donald and Melania. Yeah, that's right. I forget what your sweetheart's name is. How's she doing?
She's terrific. She had that part of her brain where her emotion center, she had that surgically removed. So now she can just walk around like a zombie. That's what I'm told. I don't know if it's true. Maybe it's true. Maybe it's not.
Yeah. All right. So anyway, so she's doing okay?
Yes, she's doing tremendous. Fantastic.
Okay. Listen, Donald, I gotta get going.
Okay. Well, hey, Natasha.
Yeah?
Can I just express to you before I leave? Giga waba min, minawa.
Hey, Gigawaba Man, Manawa, I will see you again. That's really good Ojibwe, Donald.
Yes, I've been studying the language. That's what they're telling me. I don't know if it's true. That's just what I heard.
Okay. Well, I gotta go, Trump.
All right, I will see you again, Natasha.
Yep, see you, Donald. Huh.
Wow. He seems a little off.
I know. I'm not sure what's going on there. He says he's not really Donald Trump. He's just an actor on the world stage.
You know, that's what I'm starting to suspect, that everything you see on TV is just a TV show. Like, nobody's really president. It's one big reality show, meaning it's one big not reality.
Could you imagine? It's probably not. All right. Did you want to get up here?
Yeah, sure.
All right, everybody. I'm going to let NanaBOOZHOO come up and say hello. But before I go, before he comes up here, here's a song that Michael Lyons and I did. We recorded ourselves. And it's a John Denver tune. This is Country Roads. Miigwech Bisandawieg. Thank you for listening. Hey, hey, mama, say the way you move, gonna make you sweat, gonna make you groove. Now, hey, everybody, welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and over here is the producer of the show, or whatever you want to call him, Michael Lyons. You want to say hello, Michael?
Yeah, sure. Hey, everybody. How you doing? Welcome back to the show.
And today, we're going to sing a song by none other than John Denver. It turns out we got kind of a lot of John Denver fans who watch this show, huh?
Yeah, it's true.
Okay, so this is Country Roads by John Denver. Get up here, man.
All right. Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountain, Shenandoah River. Life is old there, older than the trees, younger than the mountains, growing like a breeze. Country roads take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia. Mountain mama, take me home, country roads. All my memories gather round her, miner's lady, stranger to blue water. Dark and dusty, painted on the sky, a misty taste of moonshine, teardrop in my eye. Country roads take me home to the place I belong, West Virginia. Mountain mama, take me home, country roads. I hear her voice in the morning hour, she calls me. The radio reminds me of my home far away. And driving down the road I get the feeling that I should have been home yesterday. Yesterday, country roads take me home to the place where I belong, West Virginia. Mountain mama, take me home, country roads, take me home, down country roads, take me home down country roads. And you have been watching BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Michael Lyons, and this is Natasha. And I will see you again. Gigawaba min, Minowa. Hoa.
And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Also, you can still contribute to our GoFundMe page. Just click the link to that. Thank you so much. Miigwech. Chi miigwech. Big thanks. All right, let's get out of here.
Hey, BOOZHOO. I thought I'd teleport out here. Talk about some stuff here in beautiful nature. Aguaching outside. Aguaching. How you guys doing? I hear her voice in the morning hour, she calls me. The radio reminds me of my home far away. And driving down the road, I get the feeling that I should have been home yesterday. Bijanago, yesterday. I should have been home yesterday. You ever feel like you should just go home? You ever feel like you've been wandering the earth? Have you been on the journey's quest? Did you leave your home and then travel off to foreign lands? To battle dragons? To fight demons? To conquer? Are you on a quest for greatness? Are you looking for home? Are you lost? Are you lost and alone? You don't know, maybe you don't know where you belong. You know who didn't know where he belonged? Little cutie. The teddy bear. Do I have the little cutie thing? Yeah, I do. Little cutie is a story of a teddy bear who thinks he's got to leave his home. He overhears the adults talking, and they're like, isn't that little girl getting kind of old for teddy bears? And he thinks that his Aubrey, his human, is outgrown him. And he's going to have to go out and live out in the wilderness with the bears. And he goes off on a quest to find out where he belongs. On sale now at Amazon.com. Where is home? I heard it said before, when you fall in love, and when you find in her eyes where all seeking ends, where all roads, when you finally you're home, you've come home. It doesn't matter where you are. Your home is with your weenie Mushane. It's with your sweetheart. My sweetheart, Weenie Mushane. Oka hey la la la. Zagame says. How would I know what Zagame is saying? There's no computer out here. I'm outside. I'm getting a psychic message. Is that you, Zagame? Are you asking Natasha where she got her shirt and where she can get one? I think that was in the kid section of Walmart. That's where we get most of our clothes. The children's section in Walmart. I'm not that big. I gotta wear little people clothes. Country roads take me home to the place I belong. Anyway, what do I want to talk about today? Love, hate, dog in my ingen. Donald Trump, Joe Biden. What's going on? Are we living in the Truman Show? I think it was Joseph who said once, everybody remembers, they quote Joseph. He goes, remember Joseph from the show? He said one time, the Truman Show. Been saying that for a while. I think I remember hearing that. Are we living in a Truman Show? You know, is that thing that's, I mean, for crying out loud, we spend so much time watching media. Grow up watching the TV, and then as soon as we all got computers in our houses, now we're watching YouTube and nurses dancing on TikTok, and then nurses crying about getting fired for not getting a vaccination. I have a strange love-hate relationship. Love-dislike. I know we don't have a word for hate. Love-dislike relationship with nurses. When the whole COVID thing started, TikTok came out with all these nurses dancing in the aisles. You know, look at us, we're in masks, we're going to give you a shot, yeah. And everyone was like, oh, they're the heroes of the front lines. And I'm like, hey, wait, take it easy. The medical staff are not the front lines. The front lines are the front lines. They're the warriors. You're using war military terms here. The the nurses and whatever, they're behind the front lines. They're the ones patching up, you know. No, nurses are not the front line warriors. Just the opposite. But anyway, so everyone's, cheering on the nurses when this whole thing starts. Now you fast forward 2 years, and all these nurses are losing their jobs because they don't want to get a vaccination. These frontline heroes. And part of me is like, oh, I really feel bad for you. That sucks. What do you mean? They're going to fire you. You've been treating people with COVID for 2 years. And in your medical professional opinion, you don't feel comfortable taking the unverified shot. We don't even know what it is. And so what happens? We fire you? I mean, we're losing like 40% of the nursing staff because these are people who are not getting vaccinated. And, the hospitals will not tolerate their insubordination. And then everyone's like, yeah, get good riddance, nurses. I'm like, come on, you guys. What is it? Are they heroes or the scum of the earth? I don't know. I saw a meme. There was like a picture of the nurses. I forget what that part was. But then you show a picture of the cops and firemen and military. And they go, yeah, welcome to our world. Yesterday we're heroes. Today, nobody likes us. We were the first responders. You're a bunch of racists now. But that's what makes me think it's not real. So what's going on? Is the world really happening like this? Are people just being manipulated? There's mass protests in the streets and a whole, or is it all fake? All of it. Like even who we think the president is. Oh, it's just a character they made up on TV. They've been playing this movie for 50 years now, giving us this character called Donald Trump or Joe Biden or Barack Obama, whatever. In reality, there is no president. There's no United States. You're living in some sort of weird simulation. We're an experiment. We're one giant Truman Show. Everyone's watching it. Yeah, let's see what happens if we tell them there's a pandemic. Let's see if they eat each other. We're like rats. They give us some stimuli. Okay, how will the greater rat population respond if we make them believe there's a pandemic, and let's see how many people obey the authorities and how many people don't. Let's see how scared we can make them. Are there really, like every once in a while I think, did I just see a glitch in the Matrix? Like transgendered story hour, drag queen story hour. It seems so preposterous, and it's such an easy thing to divide people. Hey, do you support this? What's that now? This man dressed up as a woman, and not just dressed in woman's clothing. This man dressed with garish makeup, hairspray, big old wig, high heels, fishnet stockings, mini skirt, huge bosoms, you know. She's going to look like a parody of a streetwalker. She's going to come in and she's going to read children's books to your kids. And she's going to tell them stuff like, it's okay to touch yourself, you know. A story like that comes out and like normal people are like, what? No, I'm not cool with that. And then the story comes out and they say, oh yeah. So then a lot of people are mad at these people. They say, oh, you're a homophobe. You're a transphobe. You know, and they keep on pushing the line to see if we'll jump. See if we'll start warring against each other. Oh, are you a pedophobe? Don't you oppress the pedophiles? You know. But I think, is it all fake? That can't be real. There's not really people who are dressed like that who want to go and read story hour at a public library. I've never seen it in real life. But I did know a school teacher who was transgender, English school teacher, who, you know, wrote about his sexual escapades on Facebook in poetry form, about giving his children, he even had children, alcohol and drugs, and he kept his job. So I don't know, I mean, is the world crazy? Or is it all fake to see? And if somebody is pulling levers, trying to get us to freak out, hey, guess what? Now, they're going to come poop in the girls' room. Now on, it's okay for the boys to go in the girls' locker room. It's like, what? Really? You're making me weigh in and have an opinion on such an absurd idea? No, don't do that. Aha! You're a transphobe. What? I don't know. I sometimes feel like we're being played. Sometimes the thing seems so crazy. I'm like, what? That can't be real. Come on. Are there really people out there who... I mean, I don't know. Joseph says, you can't believe anything anymore because we can't see the forest from the trees. I know, that's the scary part. You can't even see the forest for the trees. Trees are in the... I can't see the rain for the tears in my eyes. La, la, la. Maybe I should go back so I can read the comments. I'm just going to say a quick prayer to Kichimanadu. Asema, Sema, O Sema, tobacco, tobacco, whatever you want to call it. Chundi. Kichimanadu. Nanaboozhoo Nandijana Kaz. Bizendao ni anima e. Great Spirit, it's me, Nanaboozhoo. Listen to my prayer. Utapana niwe asema. Accept my tobacco. And nothing. When Natasha's out here, he I guess, I'm never here, but he'll talk right out loud, but I don't always hear him out loud. If if I'm being honest. Oh, you must not be very spiritual, Nanaboozhoo. I hear God in my heart every day. Well, good for you. But I'm just going to pray and assuming that you can hear me. Get your mana do. Daga we do gawishan. We need je nanagado endaman. Geodapanaman. Inu gagashki ketosiwan. Jianji sadoyan. Ji apichite ayan. Ji anji sadoyan. Gagashki ketoyan. Ji apichite nabuakayan. Chikenamanono. Apenge. Great Spirit, please help me to have the serenity to accept the things I cannot change, the strength to change the things I can, and the wisdom to know the difference. Amen. Serenity prayer. It's a good, I like to call it the drunk's prayer. People on the red road, people walking the path of sobriety or whatever, people have crossed over to that side past, they didn't cross over to the spirit world, but they, they knocked that monkey off their back. They made the prayer kind of popular. Alcoholics. A lot of wisdom in alcoholics. Oh, I think I'll go back.
Hello.
Hey, Natasha.
Well, hi, Nanaboozhoo. What you doing?
I was just saying a prayer.
Oh, are you speaking to the Creator?
Well, I was speaking. He didn't talk back.
Oh. Did you want me to teleport you home?
Yeah, could you?
Yeah, no problem. Let me lock in on your coordinates.
Okay.
Okay, scanning for your coordinates. All right, I gotcha. 1 to teleport.
Thank you, sweetie.
Don't move. Hey, sweetie.
Hey, baby doll.
How is it outside?
It's really nice. But almost all mornings are nice to me. I think that's why I'm a morning person. Because even when it's cold, it's like beautiful outside. It's a lot cooler than it's been. But it's just so pretty. I'm a morning guy.
Yeah, I'm a morning girl.
How you doing, guys? All right. Now I can read some of the comments. Papa Ghost says, essential employee is what I'm called in essential for the company to make junia. Make the sweet green money. Papa Ghost is an essential employee. I know, I like that. That term became popular during this pandemic chapter we're in. The season of the pandemic. There were essential workers and non-essential workers. Oh, what's essential? Nurses, doctors, police, Walmart employees, liquor store employees. Those are essential. Oh, it's not essential. Oh, the pastor, the church lady, the church pianist, organist, whatever. Basically, if you own your own business, that's non-essential. But the Walmart greeter to tell you to wear a mask, that's essential. I'm not essential. That closed me down. But yeah, it really feels like there's making us jump and watching, see what happens. See how far they can push. Because remember how they rolled out the great toilet paper shortage of 2020 or whatever.
Yeah, what happened to that?
I don't know. Like for 3 weeks, all the toilet paper aisles were bare. And they said, oh no, COVID-19. You better go buy your toilet paper. It's going off the shelves fast. It's selling like hotcakes. It's like wiping your butt is going out of style. So everyone's going to buy up all the toilet paper. And you go, wow. For like a week, I had to wipe my butt with Kleenex. Yeah, with a tissue. It was nice. That stuff's a lot more soft than the cheap toilet paper we use.
Hey, we use Quilted Northern.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I guess Quilted Northern is pretty sweet, too. But yeah, so what was that? Why did they make us think that COVID-19 was going to give us the runs? Everyone's buying up toilet paper. No, all for me. Can't you think of the children who need to wipe their butts too? No. I got to get some me's and mines. Great. And then, a month goes by and all the toilet paper comes back. Nobody says a thing. It's like, what was all that about? Why did you scare everyone thinking we're going to have to wipe our butts with our socks and bury it out back in a hole shamefully?
What are you talking about?
The great toilet paper shortage of 2020. Never forget. It's like 9/11. Never forget how they created a panic telling people they weren't going to have enough toilet paper for everybody. We don't got enough toilet paper for you assholes. Nah.
Don't swear!
Sorry. I mean, literally, your buttholes. You need TP for your buttholes. So, hello children. Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the classy podcast about Ojibwe language. And Daniel Black. Work calls. See you all later, Daniel says. Daniel's got to get to work, sweetie.
See you later, Daniel.
Yep, make us proud, Daniel. No more embezzling from your employer, too. What, you say you don't embezzle? Oh, really? Did you buy that stapler I see on your desk? Yeah, I can see right into everybody's desk. No, you're not paranoid. That's the way the internet works. Live streams, you can see me, but I can also see you. Yep, see, that stapler says property of Northern Lights Casino. You stole that from work. Oh no, I was just borrowing it. Yeah, right. Nobody's ever bought a stapler in their lives. They just take one from work. Oh yeah, how about that power strip? Yeah, you expect me to believe you went to Ace Hardware and bought a power strip? Or did you just grab the one that was in the office, put it in your bag, and carry it home? That's theft. That's a sin.
Quit picking on Daniel.
I know. I'm not sure why I'm doing that, because he left. Have a good day, Daniel. Hoka hey. Wally Bear's got to go too. See you later, Wally Bear. Everybody's leaving, sweetie.
Should we leave too?
I didn't really talk about anything today.
You could talk about sweethearts.
Yeah. Nah. Okay, here's something I want to talk about. A lot of people think, Ojibwe language, why? Who cares? I speak English fluently. You want to confuse my brain with a second language? Why would we bother? Well, let me tell you something. Our ancestors, our elders, when they went to school, when they were in kindergarten, it was forbidden to count to 10 in Ojibwe. Not once did the teacher say, come on, everybody, let's count to 10 in Ojibwe. No, that was forbidden. And so our ancestors, they had to suffer not knowing how to count to 10 in Ojibwe. Well, I'm here to tell you today that there's a book out there that the rock star cartoonist wrote and illustrated called Dog and Maingan. Dog and Maingan by Michael Lyons. Hello, BOOZHOO. Sweetie, why don't you do a dog?
Okay. One dog.
Beijig Anamosh.
One wolf.
Beijig Maingan.
Two.
Nij.
Two eagles.
Nij Megaziwag.
Three.
This way. Oops.
Three bears.
Niswe Mukwag.
4.
Ni win.
4 raccoons.
Ni win. AC Banag.
5.
Nanan.
5 deer.
Nanan Wawa Shigeshiwag. There's some deer.
6.
Ningod Waswe.
6 crows.
Ningod Waswe. Ande Wug.
7.
Nij Waswe.
7 rabbits.
Nij Waswe. Wabuzug.
8.
Ish Waswe.
8 squirrels.
Ish Waswe. Misa Jilamug.
9.
Jungaswe.
9 birds.
Jungaswe. Baneshi Yug.
10.
Midaswe.
10 butterflies.
Midaswe Mamengwag.
Thank you.
Miigwech. Dog in My Ingan by Michael Lyons. On sale now at Amazon.com. For all your OJIBERISH needs, go to Amazon.com and order Dog and My Ingan. If you care about preserving the language, if you think, oh, who cares? I'm just going to let the memories, the wisdom of the elders, the sacred teachings of the language of our people. If you think, oh, who cares? Then move along. Save your money. You could spend it on, I don't know, drugs or something. I don't know what you're into. Oh no, I can't afford to buy a copy of Dog and Mingan. I'm gonna pay for watch a movie on Netflix. Oh, I'm gonna Netflix and chill. Oh yeah, you're so cool. You think you're so cool. Oh, I'm gonna invite that girl from work home. We're gonna Netflix and chill. You're not a kid anymore.
What are you yelling at?
I don't know. This is my new form of advertising. Bully the customer. Hey, tough guy. I hear you're not afraid of anything. They say you're tough. They say you're bear clan. Oh, I'm so courageous. I'm like a bear. Well, let me tell you something. Let's see. Put your money where your mouth is. Buy Dog in My Ingan by Michael Lyons. Or a bear is going to come and get you.
Don't say that. I think it's illegal.
Really? You can't make threats?
You can't lie. You can't lie.
Really?
No, you can't lie in advertising. It's a law.
Oh, really? TV can't lie about anything?
I don't think so.
You're so naive.
Don't say that. You hurt my feelings.
Sorry, baby.
That's okay.
Acting. Yeah? All right, I better get out of here, huh, sweetie?
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, I want to say, miigwech, bezandaweg. Thank you for listening. Thank you for considering all these deep philosophical questions we have. You got anything else you want to add before I sign out?
Halala, do. I don't think so. Did we just tell him to come back tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay. See you later, everybody.
This is Natasha.
BOOZHOO.
This is Michael Lyons. Hey, everyone. Thanks so much for watching. And me? Oh, my name's NANABOOZHOO. And you have been watching BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language, culture, history, celebrity gossip. What else?
Conspiracy theories?
Conspiracy theories. We never went to the moon. I lied about that. Bigfoot's real.
Yeah, Bigfoot.
I think that's it. All right. I will see you again. Giga Wabamin, Menowa. Oh, sweetie.
When to teleport.